Elevate your relaxation experience with this cordless electric hand massager, designed to provide luxurious comfort and rejuvenation. Combining the benefits of compression and soothing heat therapy, it delivers a spa-like treatment that melts away tension and promotes circulation in tired hands. Crafted in a chic white design, it not only offers therapeutic benefits, but also adds a touch of elegance to any self-care routine. Perfect for busy moms and hardworking women, this massager offers a moment of tranquility amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life. Its cordless design ensures convenient portability, allowing users to enjoy its benefits wherever they go. Whether used during a break at work, while traveling, or as part of a relaxing evening ritual at home, this massager provides a blissful escape. Surprise a loved one with the gift of relaxation and well-being. This hand massager is a thoughtful gesture that shows you care about their comfort and happiness. Give the gift of indulgence with this innovative and stylish massager today. Treat your loved ones to the ultimate pampering experience with this relaxing spa gift basket set. Perfect for her, whether she's a friend, mom, sister, co-worker, wife, or girlfriend, this set is a thoughtful gesture for birthdays, Mother's Day, or any special occasion. Packed with luxurious spa essentials, including bath bombs, body butter, shower gel, and more, it offers a serene escape from the stresses of daily life. With its elegant presentation and indulgent products, this gift basket is sure to make her feel appreciated and cherished. Give the gift of relaxation and rejuvenation with this unique and heartfelt gift idea. Enhance the ambience of your home or office with the Crystal Tree of Life 7 Chakra Healing Crystal Trees. Handcrafted with care, these stunning trees serve as both elegant decorations and powerful spiritual tools. Each tree features 7 chakra crystals, representing balance and harmony, while the Tree of Life symbolizes growth and connection to all living things. Perfect for women seeking positive energy and good luck, these crystal trees make thoughtful gifts for birthdays, celebrations, or moments of spiritual reflection. Elevate your space with the beauty and energy of these handmade crystal bonsai trees and invite abundance and positivity into your life. Organize your travel essentials in style with the BAGSMART Toiletry Bag. This hanging travel makeup organizer comes in a vibrant large pink hue, adding a pop of color to your journey. With ample space for full-sized toiletries and a TSA-approved transparent cosmetic bag, it ensures convenient airport security checks. Stay stylish and organized on the go with this practical and chic travel companion, perfect for jet-setters and makeup enthusiasts alike. Illuminate your space with the multifunctional music table lamp with wireless charger, a 4-in-1 bedside companion perfect for Mother's Day. This innovative lamp doubles as a portable Bluetooth speaker, phone holder, and dimmable LED night light, providing convenience and ambience in one stylish package. With its wireless charging feature, it keeps devices powered up effortlessly. Whether she's relaxing with her favorite tunes, reading, or charging her phone, this versatile lamp enhances any setting. Treat mom to the gift of convenience and relaxation with this all-in-one bedside lamp, ideal for birthdays, Mother's Day, or any special occasion. Elevate cozy gatherings with the Tabletop Fire Pit with S'mores Maker Kit, a versatile indoor-outdoor fireplace perfect for any occasion. Crafted for convenience and charm, this portable mini fireplace enhances tabletops on patios, balconies, or cozy indoor spaces. It doubles as a delightful s'mores maker, adding a touch of fun to gatherings with family and friends. Ideal as a housewarming, wedding, or Mother's Day gift, it brings warmth and ambience to any setting. Treat the women in your life to this unique and stylish tabletop decor, fostering memorable moments and creating a cozy atmosphere year-round. Stay cool and hands-free with the portable neck fan, an innovative 360 degrees cooling personal fan perfect for Mother's Day. This bladeless fan offers quiet operation and 3 adjustable speeds to suit any environment. With its wearable design, it provides convenient cooling indoors or outdoors without compromising mobility. Powered by a 4,000 mAh battery and USB rechargeable for extended use, it ensures lasting comfort on the go. Treat mom to the gift of instant relief from heat and humidity with this sleek and practical black neck fan, ideal for outdoor activities, travel, or relaxation at home.